approaching Foki Beach and the caves. They are in this little entrance. As you can see, the boat's anchored. I think that's the first cave where that boat is there. Woo! That was quite a journey. It was cool. I mean, the sea's a little rough, but fine for a dinghy. So far, no problems. Let's hope the way back will be equally as calm. Otherwise, we may have troubles. But right now, it's awesome. And our little entrance to the beach, to the bay. Supposedly, I looked on Google Maps and you can go inside the caves and you can walk through the caves, and it just looked absolutely incredible. Yeah, you have to go around because there's a long line there. See, like we can't get through this gap because the yacht is attached to the rocks with their lines, so we have to go around, make our entry into the bay. We lost our hook to the dinghy yesterday, or I lost it because I reversed on it and it just snapped and ended up in the sea. But we got a new line, so hopefully that should be enough for us to park at the beach. Oh my goodness, it looks like heaven, looks like paradise, guys. I'm so excited to be here. Look at the forest, and oh, that's the cave. You can go inside that cave, but we can go later. Let's go at the beach first. There's a very mysterious door there. It looks like it's barred off only from the top half, not the bottom half. Such a gorgeous little gem we found here. It's like a little paradise. I will check back in with you once we park, because now I think we have to jump off the dinghy to get it onto the beach and tie it onto something. So yeah, check back you in a few minutes. Just had a very quick swim to refresh. Oh, it might be this way. Okay, yeah, just had a quick swim to refresh, and now it's time to go to the caves. I think it's over this way. I hope so. Let's go. We found our cave. It's right in there. Right in there is the entrance to the cave, but I have no idea how to get down there. None of these honestly seem even slightly safe. Like, it seems very steep here and there. I don't know how to get down there, to be honest. I really want to get to this cave. Like, that's the whole reason I did this trek. I have no idea how to get there, and I just don't think if it was even like a little bit safe. But maybe there are people exploring these caves though. It makes me wonder whether they come and park here and then just they swim from the boats maybe, or from dinghies here. Look, my dad there looking at the cave, not knowing how to get down. It's not obvious though. Sometimes you see these paths and you just think, oh, this is not safe, but that's the path that people use. See, there's the way path here and it's down there, but we need to get around, and that is the problem, because I can easily get this way, but that's not gonna help me with anything when I have to get inside that cave. And here, yeah, it's like same here. I could get down to that bush over there with no problem, but I don't see how that's gonna help me. It's our mysterious building there with the door half barred. Oh. And there's this building here. I presume that's like a bit of a wall. I don't know, it's hard to say whether this building got destroyed and demolished and is very old, or just people never have finished building it. But it would have the most beautiful location, the most beautiful view. If this was a house, that's for sure. Well, you can find some real gems when you go exploring in Greece. That's the beauty of it all. Like, personally, if I had a house here, I would be the happiest person in the world. So you can even have your own yacht and have it packed there. I wouldn't like to keep it here over winter, of course, but when it's nice and warm, perfect place. Right, just got back to the dinghy now, and I think it's time to go for a swim, for like 10-15 minutes swim, and later I'm very excited to go snorkeling. I have a good feeling about the snorkel. I think it's going to be a good one today, but first I just want to swim, you know, get some exercise going, because snorkeling doesn't feel like much of an exercise. Later we'll do a nice snorkel and maybe even snorkel to the mystery building over at that end. The water feels a bit cool. However, because it's so unbelievably hot and lovely, it kind of counteracts it, so it should be really lovely. I think it's the most dreamy place that we've been to in Greece yet. Time to get some lunch, so we're going back to Fiskardo right now. Look, there are more boats actually anchored now. The later it gets, the more busy it gets. That's the harbour, that's the lighthouse, guiding the way into our harbour. That's a little beach and a huge